Hello and welcome. Today, we venture into the world of one of nature's most delightful companions, the budgie. Bringing a budgie into your home is a decision that should be made with both your heart and your head. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore 10 essential questions to help you determine if welcoming a budgie into your life is the right choice. We'll delve into the unique needs of these feathered friends, from their social nature to the commitment involved in providing them with a long, healthy life. So settle in and let's embark on this journey of discovery together. First, we consider the currency of time. Budgies, though small, possess an abundance of energy and a deep-seated need for social interaction. Ask yourself, can you dedicate at least an hour each day to engaging with your budgie? Can you provide the attention and enrichment these lively creatures need to flourish? Remember, a budgie is not a pet to be merely observed. It's a companion to be cherished and actively included in your daily life. Next, we turn our attention to the matter of space. While budgies may appear diminutive, they require ample room to exercise their natural instincts. A spacious cage is paramount, but their need for space extends beyond the confines of their cage. Can you provide a safe and enclosed area within your home where your budgie can experience the joy of flight? Life in the wild follows a natural rhythm, and so too does the life of a budgie. Are you prepared to make their well-being a part of your daily routine? Consistency and dedication are the cornerstones of responsible budgie care. Chapter 4. A Symphony of Sounds. The world of budgies is alive with sound. While their melodies can be a source of joy, it's essential to consider the volume of their calls. If your living space is shared with others or situated in close proximity to neighbors, assess whether the sounds of budgie life will harmonize with your surroundings. Chapter 5. Resources. The economics of care. Providing for the needs of a budgie requires resources, nutritious food, stimulating toys, and the possibility of unforeseen veterinary care. Before taking the plunge, carefully assess your financial capacity to meet these ongoing needs. Chapter 6. A Decade of Devotion. The budgie, with proper care and attention, can grace us with their presence for a decade or more. Before welcoming a budgie into your home, envision your life in the years to come. Consider your long-term plans and your ability to provide consistent care over an extended period. Chapter 7. Patience. The language of trust. Budgies, though intelligent and eager to please, require patience and understanding as we navigate the nuances of interspecies communication. Training a budgie requires a gentle touch, positive reinforcement, and a willingness to embrace the learning curve. A harmonious relationship is built on mutual respect and understanding. Imagine the ideal budgie dwelling, a sanctuary free from harsh sunlight, chilling drafts, and potential disturbances. Carefully consider the placement of their cage, ensuring it's situated in an area that provides a sense of safety and tranquility. Within the vibrant tapestry of the avian world, budgies stand out as creatures of remarkable intelligence. Toys, puzzles, and interactive play are essential components of their mental and emotional enrichment. Life is full of surprises, and the journey of budgie ownership is no exception. Responsible budgie ownership involves embracing the unexpected and being prepared to navigate the inevitable bumps along the road. Until next time, take care.